Imagine standing in front of a line of houses, each one neatly painted and perfectly maintained, except for one. It's the eyesore, the one with peeling paint and a yard that's seen better days. We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes and in all conditions. Now, what if I told you that this house could be your golden ticket to financial success? Buying the worst house in the best neighborhood isn't just a wild idea, it's a strategic move that can lead to substantial rewards. Let's dive into why this is such a smart investment strategy. Have you ever thought about how homes in desirable areas often skyrocket in value? This scenario plays out when you snag the least attractive house on the block. Number 1. Potential for significant appreciation. When you buy in a high-demand area, you're setting yourself up to benefit from the market's rising tide. Homes in these neighborhoods tend to appreciate faster and more reliably than those in less desirable places. Number 2. Lower entry price. By purchasing the least expensive home, you free up funds to make transformative renovations without overstretching your budget. It's like buying a fixer-upper and having extra cash to turn it into a dream home. Number 3. Increased equity potential. Each improvement you make boosts your home's equity, setting up opportunities for refinancing or future investments. Keep track of every penny spent on renovations to maximize your equity growth strategy. Number 4. Tax benefits from renovations. Yes, there can be tax perks involved. Many home improvement costs may be deductible when you sell, so knowing these benefits can enhance your investment returns. Number 5. Community and lifestyle improvements. High-value neighborhoods often offer better amenities and schools, improving your quality of life and attracting future buyers when it's time to sell. Number 6. Opportunity for customization. You get to design your space from scratch, reflecting your style rather than settling for someone else's taste. Planning carefully helps avoid costly mistakes and keeps the project on track. Number 7. Resilience against market fluctuations. Homes in top neighborhoods are more resilient during economic downturns, offering peace of mind that your investment is secure. Now, how does renovating maximize your property value? Focusing on key areas like kitchens and bathrooms can yield high returns. Simple updates in these spaces can significantly enhance your home's market value. And don't overlook curb appeal. Sometimes a few exterior tweaks can make all the difference. Before diving into this investment strategy, consider some key points. Conduct thorough property inspections to avoid costly surprises. Budget accurately for renovations with a contingency fund for unexpected expenses, and understand local market trends to tailor renovations effectively. Also, weigh financing options carefully and prepare for the time commitment involved in renovations. Feeling intrigued yet? If so, explore these opportunities further at growthsense.com. Whether looking for a small residential project or something bigger, our platform offers a range of distressed properties and resources to aid your investment journey. With our help, you could transform that eyesore into a gem that not only boosts your financial portfolio but also enhances the community. What's next for savvy investors like you? Stay tuned to discover the hidden gems waiting to be uncovered in the world of real estate.